Hey gang, welcome back to Opaw's Diecast. Let's the race. Before we get started, if you like this video, please hit that subscribe button. I'd greatly appreciate it. Today we're doing the Corgi toy fire tender. It says underneath LDE or I can't read it. It was broken up and I decided to do it in honor of my dad, my late father, 26 years as a city fireman. It didn't come with the little ladder. Like I said, it was all broken up, cracked. So I decided to make my own little ladder. Styrene and paper clips. The one that came with the car, brand new, was yellow, and I decided to make mine more of a wood tone. Came with 2 rivets right in the center of the vehicle, and then the headlights were part of the tab, and then the back step storage area was also supposed to keep it held in. I was really leery about working on this because the base was so brittle. Finally get it apart by going off camera and doing it. I figured if I broke it, I didn't want you to hear me cry. Missing the front wheels. And there's that broken piece at the back. Time to get it into our favorite stripper. Guess it was missing its front axle and wheel because they had broken it. So I repaired it by gluing on a piece of styrene with some PA glue, and then trying to file it down to get it to look as close to the original as possible. It was nerve-wracking because that base was so brittle. You can see, in fact, on the back end, I broke off one of the little plastic tabs and had to put another one on with some PA glue and styrene. Time for some primer. Moron cameraman. What a maroon. Trust me, there's base coat being placed on the. There you go. Here's all the parts, including the new ladder, ready for reassembly. This is what we started out with. Busted up Corgi Toys fire tender. See that back bar there, broken. This is what we ended up with. In honor of my dad. Yes, there are Hot Wheel wheels on the back. Sorry, I had no replacement. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. For now, this is Opaw saying goodbye.